Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to do a review of product. I'm going to review the Makeup Revolution concealer. These are the two concealers that I bought. I have bought from a website called HOK Makeup, that is HOK Makeup. The details of the website in the description box below. So these two things are not available. This concealer was not available at Nykaa or any other website. So I got it in HOK Makeup, and also they retailed me at rupees 695. And also for the shades, I have got the shade C10 and C11. So I was not sure which shade to buy. Then I went to the Makeup Revolution website and then try to think and see a lot of review of people like using that concealer, and then I found okay, I may be around C10 and C11, and you know what, C11 has matched exactly to my skin tone. I have used C11 today. C10 is little bit darker to lighter to my skin tone. As you can see, this is C11 and C10, so it is little bit lighter. So regarding the HOK Makeup, so it's a website. It's like there you can order and you can do for cash on delivery. I have gone for cash on delivery because that's a new website. I don't know about this site. So to be on safer side, I ordered this product and put it as cash on delivery. The website was good. I got the product delivered, and that was my first time interacting with that site for buying this concealer. And the experience was good, but one thing I want to say, like, you can't track the status. Like I did not get updated when the product is going to come or what is the status. I did not get. I just got a mail from HOK Makeup that your order has been confirmed and we'll get back to you soon. And after that I did not get any mail. Suddenly I got a courier call from the courier service that we are having a parcel for you. And I said, what parcel? They could not make said me which one is the website which is providing. Then I opened it and find okay, all the details of HOK Makeup website. So yeah, it is not similar to Nykaa, but it has a lot of Makeup Revolution products in it. So these two things I bought. The Makeup Revolution concealer is a very high coverage concealer. It is compared to Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Tarte Shape Tape seems to be United States highest selling, like the best performing concealer. All the YouTubers, like anyone you ask, everyone knows about Tarte Shape. It is like very good. It covers all the dark circles. You don't have any creasing. All the creasing fine lines is covering anything. So Tarte Shape Tape is not available in India. But when I saw the dupe of Tarte Shape Tape, people try to find the dupe of Tarte Shape Tape, but there was no. But when I saw in the internet, like people are saying that okay, this is the dupe for Tarte Shape Tape, I said okay, I have to try for this. I want to see how flawless and how is the coverage. So that's why I'm going to review this product. And yeah, today for my nails I have painted it differently. So I did it myself at home. If you want to know the tutorial of this, please let me know in the comment section below. I painted today only. I don't know how long it's going to stay. So without further ado, let's get started with the review of the Makeup Revolution product. So first I'm going to moisturize my face using the Lakme 925 Naturale Aloe Aqua Gel. I'm going to take this little bit of the product. It feels quite moisturizing. Next I am going to take the foundation. For foundation today I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless in the shade Warm Honey. 322. For foundation, today I did not take a full coverage foundation because I want to check the coverage of the Makeup Revolution concealer. Sometimes if I apply a thick layer of a high coverage foundation, I don't need a heavy concealer. So that's why I took a light foundation. Now I'm going to blend this using the makeup sponge. So this has given me, the foundation has given me decent coverage to my face. Now for the concealer, I'm going to take this concealer. So I have this shade C10 and C11. There is a very slight difference between these two shades. So let me show you the swatch in my hand. So this is C11. I think this is going to be quite perfect to my skin tone. And this is C10. This is a little bit lighter. C10 is a little bit of lighter, and C11 is quite good to my skin tone. So let me wait for some time and see if it oxidizes. So as you can see, this has oxidized a lot. So this concealer oxidizes, that means it changes to a little darker shade. So whatever you see in the bottle, once you apply after 2-3 minutes, it is going to make more deeper shade. I'm going to take the C11 shade, and it has a very big applicator like tart shaped tip. So it has very thick consistency, and I'm going to apply it all the areas I have a little bit of blemish. So I think C11 is quite matching to my skin tone. It is a little bit orange also, so it's going to a little bit brighten up. So if you are in my shade, or you are using the Fit Me foundation in the shade 322 Warm Honey, so definitely you can use this Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C11. This is going to be exact match, and C10 is going to be a little bit light. Yeah, now I'm going to blend the product. So this is quite thick, as I can see, and this blends also very beautifully. Wow, as you can see, the foundation I've used is a little bit lighter, not so much of high coverage, but this one you can see it is having so much coverage. So next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this concealer because it is going to freeze under my eyes. For setting my concealer, I'm going to use this Lakme 925 Natural Finishing Powder. This is, I think, going to be my soon best thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bake my under eyes. This is the way I feel like my under eyes does not freeze. Load the product in the brush like this, and before applying the product, I'm going to clean any creasing I am having, and then I'm going to look up and bake my under eye. This way I'm going to lock all the cream products, and powder is going to absorb all the oil I do have in the cream product. This method is called baking. There are no more lines, as you can see. And this side I am having a little bit of steel lines. So same thing I'm going to do. And all the areas I have applied the concealer, I'm going to bake or set using the powder. So I can say it's a very heavy concealer, similar to the Bobbi Brown one. I have the Bobbi Brown concealer also. That also looks similar to this. It seems to be same coverage, similar to the Bobbi Brown Fit Me, and the other concealers are a little bit of thin consistency, a little bit thin, but this one is really a high coverage. So next I'm going to quickly do my brows, and yeah, a little bit of eye makeup and bronzer, contour, everything I'm going to do. So this portion I'm going to move fast forward and let you guys know the final verdict, like after applying all these products, how does it look on my face. That's the finished look. So after applying all the makeup, I found that there is no creasing whatsoever. Reason like I can't see any creasing, and it has high coverage and it looks so flawless. You can see this areas is become looking like very flawless. Nothing is visible, everything is covered. No, you can see, you can't see any kind of dark circles, not a single spot, nothing you can see. Totally like it has blurred this area. I really love the product. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you want to review me any new product. So I try to buy new products and provide review for you guys so that you guys can refer. And also the price of the products, I don't only review low price products or very high price products. I always review all the different kinds of products because I'm a makeup junkie. I love to test, try and see how the products works on my face. So yeah, if you guys want me to review any more product, please let me know in the comment section below, and please hit the subscribe button so that I can make more video and our family can grow big. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.